How to remove music on Instagram post. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Click on your profile at the bottom right and select the post you want to remove music from. Then click on three dots at the top right of your post. And here at the bottom you will find delete. Click on delete. After you have deleted the post, simply go to your profile again. In here, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on your activity. In your activity, you will find recently deleted. Click on recently deleted. And then select the post you deleted earlier. Then click on three dots again at the top. And at the bottom, click on Restore, which is the last option. Again, press on Restore and your post will be restored but without music. When you restore, it will remove music. This is how to remove music on Instagram post. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.